In this video, I'll show you how to set up GitHub pages with a custom domain. First, open your web browser, go to GitHub, and sign into your account. Then open the repository you want to publish with GitHub pages. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository. In the left sidebar, click Pages. Under Build and Deployment, choose the branch you want to publish, such as main, select the root folder if needed, and click Save. Now, wait a few moments for GitHub pages to build your website. Once it's ready, return to the Pages settings, and in the Custom Domain section, enter the domain name you want to use. Click Save to apply the custom domain. After that, sign into your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare, and update your domain's DNS settings with the records required for GitHub pages. Once you've saved the DNS changes, return to the GitHub pages settings and wait for GitHub to verify your domain. DNS updates may take some time to propagate. Finally, once your custom domain has been verified, enable Enforce HTTPS if the option is available. Then visit your custom domain in your web browser to confirm that your GitHub pages website is loading correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up GitHub pages with a custom domain. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.